What's going on, guys? Brett here from Simba Stock. So this week we actually have a pretty bearish scenario that might be playing out. Last week we saw a huge dump in the markets as the Fed started to talk about possible tapering coming into effect next month or the month after. There was also a good jobs report that came in, some of the lowest numbers that we've seen this year. And remember, guys, when job numbers are good, right, that means that the Federal Reserve, the government, doesn't have to step in and support us as much with stimulus or keeping rates low, right? So what that means is for the market, usually you will see a bit of a pullback when they stop providing all of the help to the individuals who are still struggling throughout this pandemic. So what we could see is a big pullback here. Now we have this chart that goes back all the way to September 2020, right? And we've been in this huge uptrend on the S&P. You could see that usually we reject the upper end of this channel, right? But it's getting a bit tight, a little squeezed here. We've just lost the 20 EMA. Now we have lost this plenty of times before, this blue line, but we keep bouncing at the 50 here. So if we do bounce, it probably will be somewhere at the bottom of this channel. So we do still have a little bit of a bearish day or two to play out. Now, if it does tend to get a bit more aggressive towards the end of the week, we could see a deeper retracement back to this 4,300 level, 4,350 or so. So that's what we got on watch for this week. You can play SPXS. It's the inverse ETF. So this is one of the picks that we have. You guys can check out our PDF in the bio below. This will basically be a breakout play shorting the market, as well as SQQQ, which is basically us shorting the tech sector. That's pretty much it for this week, though, guys. We are not looking to long any stocks or buy any stocks long right now besides these two inverse ETFs, as we do see the market possibly having a short-term top to medium-term top built in now. So as always, please trade safe during these times if you are going long. Again, we are at all-time highs on the market. You guys see NQ here also rejecting the upper band, right? Big ways to go down. Next support would be basically here, back down at around the 15,150 range. So, you know, that's another 2% drop or so. If it gets aggressive, could see towards the upper 14,000 level, right? 14,700, 14,800 or so, which would be another 2-3% drop from this support also. So be on the lookout for a continued sell-off this week unless we do get some bullish news. But for right now, outlook remains bearish, and trade safe.